If you've ever signed up for a Whop membership and realized you want to stop the automatic renewal, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel auto renewal on Whop in just a few simple steps so you can avoid getting charged again. This is a quick and easy process, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful step-by-step videos. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your web browser and go to whop.com. Once the website loads, sign in to your Whop account using the email and password associated with your membership. After you're logged in, look for your profile picture. Depending on your screen layout, it may appear in the top corner or the bottom corner of the page. Click on your profile picture and a menu should open up. From that menu, select Orders. This is where Whop keeps track of the subscriptions and memberships connected to your account. On the Orders page, you'll see a list of your active and past subscriptions. Find the subscription you want to stop auto-renewing, then click on it to open the membership details. Inside the subscription settings, look for the option that says Cancel Membership. In some cases, you may also see a three-dot menu instead. If that happens, click the three dots and then select Cancel from the menu. Whop may ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and confirm the cancellation to finish the process. Once that's done, your membership should no longer renew automatically. It's always a good idea to double check the subscription status afterwards so you know the cancellation went through successfully, and that's it. You've now learned how to cancel auto-renewal on Whop using your web browser. No extra steps, no confusion, just a straightforward way to stop future billing on a membership you no longer want. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.